Location of the supplier of service section 2 class 71. When a supply is made from a business place of business for which the registration has been obtained, then the location of such is the place of business. So registered registration is obtained and where the supply is happened. Registered places are places of supply. Okay. A supply is made from a place other than a place of business of such a registration has been obtained. The fixed establishment elsewhere. The location of such fixed establishment is in place of supply. So I registered in Chennai, but I'm asking to provide service in Salem. Then even though I'm doing in Salem, you are provided to Chennai. Fixed establishment. I am registered in Chennai, but I'm asking you to do service in Pondicherry. The service is being asked to done there, but I'm the registered person. I'm registered in Chennai, so you are doing service in Chennai. Good. When supply is made from more than one establishment, where the place of businesses or fixed establishment or the location of the establishment most directly concerned with the provision of supply. I'm asking you to do, I'm a registered person in Chennai. I'm asking you to do service in Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala, and Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu. Now, what happened is you are doing various services, but I'm the registered person, I'm the placing, you are doing service there on behalf of me. You should billing to me, and the person is, I have registration in Chennai, so everything in connection to the fixed place of business, Chennai. In absence of such place, a location of the usual place of residence of a supplier, you are going to do supply in the mid sea. There is no country in the mid sea. A ship is standing, you are going to do service there. But whom you are doing supply to me? Where I have a register office in Chennai. So where you are in India, you're going to do service to in mid sea where there is no country. So the high seas you are going to use service, but you're doing to me. Then the place of business is the residential supplier. That is my registered place.